Hello friends, in today's video I will provide information about India's animal kingdom. I have divided this topic into a series because if I were to discuss the subspecies or variety of just one species, it could take a whole day. So today we will learn about the basic classification. Before starting the video, let me mention that I will use some unfamiliar words to keep the video professional, such as domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, etc. In short, these are categorical hierarchies in which scientists have organized classification, and each succession level is neatly divided. All living things in our world are divided into three main domains: archaea, bacteria, and eukarya. To keep it simple, we will focus only on eukarya. The domain eukarya include organisms with a well-defined nucleus in their cell. If we were to discuss eukarya in detail, it would turn into a full microbiology video. So let's quickly move to our topic. In the domain eukarya, there are kingdom Protista, fungi, plantae, and Animalia. Today we will focus on kingdom Animalia. The first phylum of kingdom Animalia is Porifera. Porifera are also known as sponges. They are one of the simplest multicellular organisms and mostly live in aquatic habitats. Porifera are further classified into class Calcarea, class Hexactinellida, also known as glass sponges, class Demospongia, class Homoscleromorpha. In India, there are almost 500 species of sponges, the majority of which belong to the class Demospongia. These species are found along the Indian coastline, particularly in states like Andaman and Nicobar Island, the Lakshadweep Island, and the coral reefs along the western and eastern coast. The second phylum of kingdom Animalia is Coelenterata, or Cnidarians. These are simple aquatic animals such as jellyfish, corals, and sea anemones. Their body are radially symmetrical and can either be free-swimming or stationary. Cnidarians are further classified into class Hydrozoa, class Scyphozoa, class Cubozoa, class Anthozoa, class Sterozoa, and class Myxozoa. India is home to about 200 species of Coelenterata. Mostly belong to the class Anthozoa and subclass Hexacoryllia. They are abundant in the coastal areas of western coast, eastern coast, Andaman Island, and the Lakshadweep Islands. The third phylum is Platyhelminthes, which includes flatworm. These are simple, soft-bodied animals with a flattened shape that helps in nutrient absorption. They live in a range of environments from ocean to freshwater to damp land conditions. Flatworms can be free-living or parasitic and are classified into class Turbularia, class Nematoda, also known as flukes, class Cestoda, known as tapeworms, class Monogynia, class Neodermata. India has approximately 500 species of flatworms, with the majority belonging to class Turbularia. They do not have a specific geographical location in India but are mostly found in damp, marshy, and wetter conditions, particularly in the state of northeastern states and western and eastern coastal areas. The fourth phylum is Nematoda, or roundworms. These are small, cylindrical worms with a smooth tube-like body. They have a mouth at the anterior region and anus at the ventral side. Nematodas are divided into class Adenophoria, class Caesornatia, class Nematomorpha, class Anoplea, class Rhabdacea, class Spiruria. India has almost 1,000 species of roundworms, with class Chromatoria contributing to most of their diversity. Like flatworms, they do not have specific geographical location, but can be found as parasite or in soil and fresh waters. The fifth phylum is Annelida, which includes segmented worms. Their body are divided into repeated segments that help them to stretch and contract for motion. They are classified into class Polychaete, class Oligochaete, class Hirundinaria. India has almost 500 species of annelids, with the majority belonging to class Oligochaete. Like Platyhelminthes and Nematoda, Annelida do not have any specific geographical location, but is mostly found in wet, damp region across India. The sixth phylum is Arthropoda, which you might have encountered on daily basis. This phylum includes insect and it is the most diverse of any species. It is divided into class Merostomata, class Chilopoda, class Arachnida, class Diplopoda, class Malacostraca, class Branchiopoda, class Insecta. India has almost 1 lakh species of arthropods, which are found in grassland, wetland, desert, pond, lakes, and urban areas. The seventh phylum is Mollusca. These organisms have a soft body covered by a protective shell and are classified into class Gastropoda, class Bivalvia, class Cephalopoda, class Polyplecophora, class Scaphoda, class Monoplecophora, class Aplacophora. India has almost 2000 species of mollusca, with the majority belonging to class Gastropoda. They can be marine, freshwater, or terrestrial, and are most abundant in Western Ghats, though they are generally found in throughout the country. The eighth phylum is Echinodermata. These animals have small spikes on their outer skin, giving them a rough appearance. They exhibit radial symmetry and are divided into class Astoradia, class Ophiurodia, class Echinodia, class Holothuridia, class Crinodia. India has almost 200 species of Echinodermatas, with class Astoradia being the most common. They are quite abundant in India's coastal region. The ninth phylum is Chordata, which can be considered the most advanced phylum. It is divided into subphylum Urochordata, which includes class Ascariaceae, Thylaceae, and Larvaceae. Subphylum Cephalochordata, which includes lancelet or Amphioxus. Subphylum Vertebrata, which includes class Cyclostomata, class Chondriocthes, class Osteichthyes, class Amphibia, class Reptalia, class Aves, and class Mammalia. This phylum includes almost 4,000 species of cephalochordates, 30,000 species of urochordates, and 60,000 species of vertebrates. Cephalochordates are found in shallow sand and muddy marine environments, urochordates in deep marine ocean, and vertebrates are present globally. Now let's take a break. I want to share this that it has been a childhood dream of mine to learn about the animals in India, or at least see their images and understand the diversity of Indian animals. Since it was not possible at that time, I created this YouTube channel to build a community of nature enthusiasts like myself. Lastly, making such videos take a lot of efforts, so please like, share and subscribe to the video. Also let me know in the comment section which topic would you like to see next.